Welcome back, chat, to the first horror video of the channel. Today we will be playing Burning Snow. It's a short game by Audrey Justcore. It's their first game, or Andre. It's their first 3D game, and it's on itch.io for free. You should donate though. But I'm kind of quiet though, cause there's people home. Let's get into it right now. I'm scared. Oh, so cute. Hello? You're going to launch a firework? That's the only way anyone will find us here. Before we run out of matches and freeze to death. Move forward. I'll be waiting for you there. Okay, I'm scared. What if he's evil? I'm a guess right now. It is going, he's going. Yeah. Okay, pretty creepy. So nice, so cute, such a cute game. Oh, he's here. Take the matches. The firewood must be down this trail. The heck, pyrotechnica? Oh, the trail. It's not a trail. Oh. Left. Okay. I'm scared, guys. How much longer? Oh, heck no. What's going on? No. What's happening? You're freezing? Set these branches on fire? Press and hold. Press and throw a burning match. Oh my god. Burn these pile of branches to stay warm. The firework must be in this area. As soon as you find return it to the campfire spot. Prepare for the launch. Okay, so the goal of this game is to launch a firework. And he's guiding us through. But he's not really doing much, bro. He's cute and all, but I'm kinda creeped out. Okay. Return to that spot once we find it. Are we able to grab badges and stuff or nah? Oh, I'm freezing. What is that music? Oh, oh my god. It came from that way. Let's go left. Back. Okay. Take on this fire real quick. Okay, let's go. Oh my god, what is this? Wait, there's a spot up there. Did I go up there already? I'm gonna go up there. Wait, how do I get up there? I'm freezing. Firework! Okay, wait, let me these. Okay, ready. Ready, guys? Go, go, go. Go, go, go. Please, 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 please. It become colder? What are you talking about? I'm chilling, bro. I'm chilling. Oh my god. Okay, okay. Ready, go, go, go. Oh, I'm freezing. Damn, it's already cold. Oh my god. Oh, it's that cold? Okay, okay. Do I see one right there? Okay, go, 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 go. Go. Okay, I can make it, Loki. Okay, no, I can't. Go, go, go. Can I make it? No. Okay, ready, guys? The next one's right there. Is that where we... Okay. Okay, we can make it, right? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Go, go, go. Come on, we can make it. Come on, we can make it. Okay, okay, where's the next one? Right there. Okay, ready, guys? 3, 2, 1, go, go, go. Maybe we could look like we get the next one. Let's light this one up. Go up, right? Okay, okay. I don't see any there. Okay, ready? Go, go, go. Can we make the next one actually? Yes, we can. Okay, okay. Ready, ready? Go, go, go. Is it him right there? It's it. It's it. Go. Oh my god, that scared me. Hey, buddy.
Here you are.
Oh, it's so cute. It became colder, but I see you found the firework. Set it on the launch post. Alright, bet. Perfect. Launch it now. Let's see. So cute. What? Oh. That's for me. That's it? That's it? Let's hope it was enough for the finest. Tell how many matches you have left. You must have found a lot near that firework. Oh, that was us, bro. Nah. Uh-oh. What do we do now? Damn. I guess you overdid it with the vibe. By the other hand, now they're certainly minus. Alright then, what do we do now? Oh, that scared me. Burning Snow, thanks for playing. It was my first ever 3D game and I hope you liked it. You can find more stuff on each title. Let's go! We did it! It was not scary. It was more fun than scary. But it wasn't a horror page, so I thought it was scary. But anyways, that is Burning Snow chat. Hope you guys have a good one. Peace.